everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Cook Like a Japanese channel. I'm Ryo. Today we're making simmered cod fillet with daikon. You know, both cod fillet and daikon are super popular ingredients here in Japan, especially in winter, and they always taste better when they are cooked together. Today's recipe is super simple, super easy to make, and the taste would be super yummy. Alright, let's get started! You know, the ingredients for simmered cod fillet with daikon are only two: cod fillet and daikon. If you can find daikon with its leaves on like this, use the leaves for garnish. If your daikon are without leaves, you can use cut green onion, scallion or something like that instead. To simmer it, you need a cup of dash water and 1 teaspoon of sugar. For seasonings, you need soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon, sake and mirin, both 1 tablespoon. Plus you need a bit of potato starch for the cod fillet. We have only 3 steps to make it. Step number 1 is preparation. First, sprinkle some salt on cod fillet and set it aside. We do it to remove the unwanted fishy smell from the fillet. And then cut daikon into quarter slices, put them in a heat-proof bowl and microwave it at 500 watt for 6 minutes. Plus cut daikon leaves to pieces and set it aside for garnish. Step number 2 is to pan-fry the cod fillet. Remove the excess water from the fillet and then sprinkle some potato starch on it. Heat the pan, add in a vegetable oil and pan-fry the fillet till it gets nice and brown. After you made it nice and brown for both sides, remove the excess water from the pan with a paper towel. Pour in 1 cup of dash water. When it gets boiled, add in 1 teaspoon of sugar as well. Simmer it with lid on for about 3 to 4 minutes. Step number 3 is to season. Season it with 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of sake. Remove the lid and simmer it for another several minutes to remove excess water. Plate it and put the garnish on. Yeah, then it's ready to go. Sounds easy, doesn't it? Alright, why don't we go on to step 1? Alright, why don't we go on to step 1. Remove the fishy smell from cod fillet. Sprinkle some salt on both sides. You can set it aside. Alright, the second thing you do in step 1 is to prepare the daikon. Clean it up and cut the leaves. You can throw this away. As I told you in Katsuramuki short video, peel the skin of daikon by doing the Katsuramuki. If you don't like to, just use the peeler. Don't move the knife, just move the daikon. Okay, that's it. Then cut it into quarter size pieces. Cut it into quarter slices. And put the daikon leaf in the pieces as well and set it aside for garnish. You prepare a heat-proof bowl like this. Put the sliced daikon into the bowl. Okay, it's in. So I'm gonna microwave it at 500 watt for 6 minutes. Set aside the cut leaves of daikon. Alright, now we're going to step 2. Alright, step number 2 is to pan fry the cod fillet. First thing you do is to remove the excess water from the cod fillet. Yeah, use this paper towel and put it in the potato starch. Yeah, like this. Do the same to the other fillet. So watery. Yeah, remove the water from it and then put in the potato starch. Like this. Then put the potato starch on it. Yeah. Looks nice. Okay, both sides. Yeah, I recommend you to use this aluminum foil because you can throw it after you use it. Yeah, it looks nice. So it's time to heat the pan. Well, now the pan is heated, so add in the vegetable oil and add in the cod fillet, skin side down. First side is stick inside. Right, and you can throw this aluminum foil away. Ta-da! Turn on the heat and make it nice and brown. I believe one side is nice and brown. Yeah, looks nice, isn't it? So flip it over and keep heating for 1 or 2 minutes. Alright, now both sides of the fillet get nice and brown. Yeah, can you see that? So it's time to pour in the dash water. But before that, remove the excess oil with paper towel. Not much. To make dash water, I believe this is one of the easiest ways. Put the dash powder, 1 cup of water. Yeah, that's it. Shake it a bit and pour it in. Add in 1 teaspoon of sugar in it. When it comes to boil, add in the microwave daikon, microwave quarter sliced daikon, and with the lid on, heat it for 3 to 4 minutes in medium low heat. Alright, now 3 minutes has passed, so when we remove the leaf, yeah, it's nice and brown. Yeah, it looks great. When we keep shimmering it for several more minutes. Yeah, I've shimmered it for another 2 minutes. I believe it's not soupy anymore. So why don't we go on to step 3? Step 3 is to season. Season it with 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, plus 1 tablespoon of mirin. That's it. Alright, stir a little bit. Yeah. Give a last heat. Alright, looks nice. Okay, it's time to go. Why don't we plate this? Alright, now it's time to plate the shimmered cod fillet with daikon. First thing to plate is daikon, right? Yeah, leave some daikon. Yeah, I made it. The other one. Yeah, I made it. Yeah, plus the daikon stuff. And last but not least, the leaf of the daikon. Yeah, looks great, isn't it? Alright, now shimmered cod fillet with daikon is ready to go. Alright, now you know to make shimmered cod fillet with daikon. It's pretty easy, so why don't you give a try at your home? Alright, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, leave some messages down below, and subscribe. Thanks for watching again. See you in the next video. Take good care. Arigato. Bye.